Hello people, I hope you all are doing great. Again I am back while taking the exercise 8.3. Yes children, you are right that I will be discussing each and every entire problem of 8.3. Alright, acha. Let me have a recall regarding the previous lecture. In 8.1 I have talked about the many fundamental concepts about the trigonometry ratio, sine, cos, tan, cot, cosec, even sec, and also I have talked about the reciprocal. Even in the exercise 8.2 I have talked about the trigonometry treble. I hope you have seen, you have watched all the lecture number 1 and 2, and I guarantee children, and out of the 80 marks, as you know very well that in the NCERT there are 80 marks of question. Out of 80 marks, 70% question generally comes in exam. 70% question generally comes in exam, which is all about 8 equivalent to 56, right? 78 56 marks. Near about 55 marks generally question comes from NCERT exam, NCERT book. I repeat, 55 marks का क्वेश्चन सवाल पूछा आता है NCERT से. Remember this. And out of the 56, I repeat, 8.3 will be a crucial rule for you. 8.3 will be a pivotal chapter, even if exercise for you. As I have said before, that in the standard मैथमेटिक्स और बेसिक मैथमेटिक्स जनरली 4 और 5 मार्क का सवाल पूछा जाता है चैप्टर नंबर 8 से. I hope I don't need to explain you more because this chapter is very important to your paper. 4 और 5 मार्क का सवाल पूछा आता है and I know very well एक्सरसाइज में से और एग्जाम्पल में से ही पूछा जाएगा. किसमें? तुम्हारे बोर्ड एग्जाम. नॉट ओनली बोर्ड एग्जाम बट ऑल्सो मिड टर्म एग्जाम. एंड व्हाट आर द क्वेश्चंस द स्कूल विल आस्क, आई विल से यू. डू नॉट वरी अबाउट दैट. इज इट क्लियर? विदाउट मेकिंग एनी डिले, लेट्स द वीडियो गेट स्टार्टेड. राइट. As in the lecture number 1 I have said many things. In the lecture number 2 also I have discussed lots of varieties of problem, and if you have not watched, तुम गुनाह कर रहे हो. अभी जाकर तुरंत देखो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में जाकर, और देख के ही आकर इस वाला लेक्चर में देखना, क्योंकि अच्छे से समझ में नहीं आएगा. You people cannot understand. So let us understand with the trigonometry ratio of a complementary angle. What is a complementary angle? Complementary angle is angle in which the दो वैल्यू को मिला के 90 डिग्री होता है बच्चों. 2 वैल्यू को मिला के 90 डिग्री होगा. दैट मींस कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल इज एंगल, उसको 2 वैल्यू को जोड़ के 90 डिग्री होगा. 91 नहीं होगा कि 89 नहीं होगा. 90 डिग्री मींस इट विल बी 90 डिग्री. फॉर एग्जांपल 45 प्लस 45, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट 90 डिग्री. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल. 2 एंगल का जोड़ो 90 मिलेगा. 2 एंगल का जोड़ो 90 मिलेगा. 60 और 30 90. 45 प्लस 45 90. 60 प्लस 30 90. 15 प्लस 75 90. दो एंगल को जोड़ो मिलेगा 90. आई बात समझ में? चलो अच्छा. एंड trigonometry ratio and a complementary angle. As you know very well, trigonometry किस में लाया करता है? As you know very well, trigonometry comes under the category of right angle triangle. As you can see, there is having a triangle which is a right angle triangle. Right angle at B, angle A and angle C. अच्छा, तो फिर यहाँ पे बात करते हैं एंगल ए और एंगल सी मिलके क्या होता है बच्चों ना. एंगल ए और एंगल सी मिलके कंप्लीमेंट्री एंगल बनाता है. हो ना ट्रिगोनोमेट्री रेशियो ऑफ कंप्लीमेंट्री एंगल. एंगल ए और एंगल सी मिलकर क्या बनता है बेटा ना? A complementary angle. Let us understand. Let us take the angle A as a theta. Let us take the angle as a theta and angle C. So can I write in this way? Angle A plus angle C equals to 90 degree. Can I write in this way? Yes children, I can write in this way. एंगल ए की जगह में हम थीटा लिख दे. लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड. थीटा प्लस एंगल सी इक्वल्स टू 90 डिग्री बेटा. सो आई कैन इवन से एंगल सी इक्वल्स टू 90 डिग्री माइनस थीटा. सो आई कैन इवन से दैट एंगल सी इज आल्सो नोन एज 90 डिग्री माइनस थीटा. ऑलराइट, I think the concept is pretty clear to you. If I can take angle, I am taking as a supposition. Let angle A be theta. If angle A plus angle C is a 90 degree, why? Because it's a complementary angle. What is a complementary angle? Complementary angle is angle in which the sum of two angles is all about a 90 degree beta. The sum of two angle A plus angle C equals to 90 degree. दो एंगल को मिलाओ 90 डिग्री करो बेटा. एंगल A plus angle C equals to 90 degree. एंगल A का वैल्यू लगाया थीटा. एंगल C will remain in the same 90 degree. That means that angle C equals to 90 degree minus theta, which is all about this. आई बात समझ में? अच्छा, let us take a function. Now, if I will say sin theta, if I say sin theta क्यों? Sin A I can say. Wait, very easy, very interesting. Let me say about here sin A. Sin A equals to what beta? Sin A equals to, see, what did I say? Angle opposite to this is known as perpendicular. angle adjacent to angle is known as a base. This is all about height. Is it clear beta? So I can even say P upon H is the formula, trigonometry ratio. So P ka value beta BC upon AC I can say. I think is it clear to you? So if I can take angle A is a theta, so I can even say in this way, sin theta is all about P upon H is all about BC upon AC. आई बात समझ में बच्चों? आई बात समझ में? चलो एक्सक्यूज मी मिनट. All right, chalo. Angle now let us take another function that is all about cos theta. Let us take another function that is all about cos theta. Cos c, let me take beta cos c. Why you people might be thinking, sir, why we will take cos c, why we will not take sec, why we will not take tan? Because cos c. इसीलिए बोल रहा हूँ because तुम जल्दी जाके पेज नंबर 188 देखो. The page number in the page number 188. In the page number 188 you will be looking everything. If you will read it thoroughly, everything you can understand. What, when, where I will be saying it. Just do not worry about that. Cos c. If I ask you what is the cos c, so cos c is all about beta. So cos c का क्या होता है? Cos c is all about B upon H. What is B upon B over here? B angle adjacent to it. Angle adjacent to it ये तो होता है ना B बेटा. B हो गया BC. H क्या होता है? AC. So see very well. I can even write if angle C is known as 90 degree minus theta. So I can also write cos 90 degree minus theta equals to P upon H equals to BC upon AC बेटा. Can I write it down? See, very interesting, very interesting. This BC upon AC, this BC upon AC is remaining common. This BC upon AC, this BC upon AC is remaining common. So I can directly write that sin this theta लगाऊं, sin theta equals to cos 90 degree minus theta. आई बात समझ में? sin theta equals to 90 cos 90 degree minus theta. I can write it down. So this is a formula. आई बात गजब भाई रे, गजब हो गया गजब. आई बात समझ में? दिस इज ऑल अबाउट sin theta equals to cos 90 minus theta. Even I can even in this way also write it down. I can write it down cos theta equals to sin 90 degree minus theta. आई बात समझ में? For more details, if you might be thinking, sorry. For more details, if you might be thinking, sir, how we got this and that, why we have taken cos, again I am saying page number 188 में चले जाओ. ठीक है? एनसीईआरटी बुक याद रखना. कौन सा एनसीईआरटी बुक देख रहे हो? यहाँ पे कुछ है, देख रहे हो? That is all about एनसीईआरटी बुक. Let us start with again one thing that is all about again tan theta. Tan theta equals to cot 90 degree minus theta. ऐसे कुछ प्रकार का फॉर्मूला है बेटा. Then after this also I can write as a cot theta equals to tan 90 degree minus theta. ये एक फॉर्मूला भी संभल कर आ गया. Again one formula, let us also take it out, that sec theta equals to cosec 90 degree minus theta. Very important this all beta. Cosec theta equals to sec 90 degree minus theta. You can note it down in your pen and copy. If you are not noting out, no problem regarding it. You can see again one thing on your screen. You can also note it down very well. All right, you can even take it the screenshot. और एक बात very important, interesting, that please try to make the notes. Making the note is very important. Directly lecture देख के वैसे भाग जाना, that is not a matter to us. Matter is writing a note is very important. Just write it down the notes. Writing a note is very important बच्चों. अगर नोट नहीं बनाओगे, नोट नहीं लिखोगे तो बहुत ही गलती होने वाला. आई बात समझ में? This is all about the concept. Let us start the 8.3 number 1 question. As you can see children, there is having an exercise number exercise 8.3 number 1 bit 1 sin 80 degree upon cos 72 degree. अगर कुछ इसे डिग्री का जिक्र करें तो you have to take it as this is all about a complementary angle. So children, see, as you know very well the formula, what beta na sin theta equals to cos 90 degree minus theta. Is it clear children? तो theta का जगह में 80 लिखते हैं तो what beta, so I can even write that sin theta I can remain in this way cos 90 degree minus theta is all about 18 beta, so 18 which is all about a cos 72 degree. So now I have got cos 72 degree, here is also cos 72 degree, that means cos 72 degree upon cos 72 degree, कट जाएगा, आंसर मिला 1. Yes children, this is the answer. Is it clear? Let me have a recap of it. Let me recall of that. What is the formula beta? This is all about the formula. Sin theta is all about a cos 90 degree minus theta. So sin theta दिया है, so sin theta का कुछ वैल्यू दिया है, so sin theta का वैल्यू हम इस प्रकार भी लिख सकते हैं, cos 90 degree minus 18 degree. Why it is 18 degree? Because theta का वैल्यू is 18 degree. So cos 90 degree minus 18 degree we have got cos 72 degree. अगर sin theta का cos 70 degree भी हम लिख सकते हैं, so cos 72 degree is all about a upon cos 72 degree is all about a. आई बात समझ में? चलो करते हैं नंबर 2 सवाल. नंबर 2 सवाल का फॉर्मूला क्या है बच्चों? नंबर 2 सवाल का फॉर्मूला कुछ इस प्रकार है बच्चों, देखो नंबर 2 का कुछ सवाल इस प्रकार है, दैट इज ऑल अबाउट बेटा सी, tan theta equals to cot 90 degree minus theta. So theta का वैल्यू is 26. I can even write it down that tan theta cot 90 degree minus theta value is 26 degree beta. So I can even get it tan 64 degree. So over here I can even write a tan cot 64 degree upon cot 64 degree, cut is all about 1. Here is also the answer is 1. Is it clear children? Let us start with the number 3, sin and cos. Again कुछ इस प्रकार का वैल्यू करते हैं बच्चों, कैसे करेंगे? cos 48 degree it is given, so I can write it down as a sin 90 degree minus what, minus na theta is all about a cos theta, am I right? So now sin is all about a 90 degree minus 48 degree, I can say beta, equals to cos theta, right? So I can get a sin is all about a 42. So see sin 42 I have got over here, that फिर से हम इसे लिखते थे sin 42 degree minus sin 42 degree. आंसर मिला ना 0, आंसर मिला 0, मिला आंसर 0. आई बात समझ में? आई बात समझ में? आई थिंक द कॉन्सेप्ट इज प्रीटी क्लियर टू यू. चलो शुरुआत करते हैं नंबर 2 क्वेश्चन. नंबर 2 क्वेश्चन कुछ इस प्रकार का बच्चे लोग देखो, यहीं पे करते हैं, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट. अच्छा, बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द नंबर 2 लेट मी हैव अ फ्यू कॉन्सेप्ट अबाउट इट. व्हाट आर द फ्यू कॉन्सेप्ट माय डियर चिल्ड्रन? द फ्यू कॉन्सेप्ट इज ऑल अबाउट द रेसिप्रोकल रिलेशनशिप, द रेसिप्रोकल थ्योरम, reciprocal relation of a trigonometry, reciprocal relation of a trigonometry. what are the reciprocal relation of a trigonometry? बहुत ही आसान सवाल बेटा. what is the reciprocal relation of a trigonometry? that is all about, I can even write sin equals to 1 upon cosec. this is all about reciprocal. sin equals to 1 upon cosec उल्टा बनता है. I can even write it that tan equals to 1 upon cot. Even I can say cos equals to 1 upon sec. That means you might be thinking, sir, can I write in this way? Cosec equals to 1 upon sec sin. Yes बच्चा, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो. Cot equals to 1 upon tan. Yes, you can even write it down. Sec equals to 1 upon cos. Yes, also you can write it down. This is all about trigonometry relation of a reciprocal relation of a trigonometry. ऐसे बहुत कुछ काम आने वाला है 8.4 में. तो याद रखो, लिख दो, जो करना है करो, मगर जल्दी से करो. Take a screenshot right away. चलो, आफ्टर टेकिंग द स्क्रीनशॉट लेट मी इरेज दिस. आफ्टर लेटिंग इट इरेज दिस. नंबर 2 का बात जिक्र करते बच्चों. नंबर 2 का क्या होता है, चलो देखते हैं. नंबर 2 कुछ इस प्रकार का सवाल दिया गया है. 2 नंबर का बीट 1 का क्वेश्चन दिया है कि सो दैट साबित करो, प्रूफ करो बेटा, साबित करो, प्रूफ करो. सो दैट बीट 1 tan 48 डिग्री, tan 23 डिग्री, tan 42 डिग्री अगेन, tan 67 डिग्री बेटा इक्वल्स टू 1. वी हैव टू प्रूफ दिस. अगर अच्छा ये कुछ उल्टा सवाल का दिया, उल्टा मुल्टा दिया, चलो हम उसको सीधा कर लेते हैं. बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू डू एज ए व्हाट बेटा, वी आर गोइंग टू डू एज ए कंप्लीमेंट्री एंगल. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट tan 45 डिग्री, 48 डिग्री. tan 48 का साथ में अगर tan 42 कर दूं, 42 कर दूं, तो इट इज ऑल अबाउट 90. It is all about a 90. So even I can say that tan 23 degree into tan 67 degree, this is all over 90 degree, right? अच्छा, अगर यहाँ पे प्लस और माइनस दिया होता तो हम नहीं कर सकते, because it is given in the multiplication. That's the reason we are doing. अच्छा, let us. So I can even write it down this. tan 48 को हम ऐसे कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. That is all about बेटा. Can I write it down in this way? Can I write it down how? ना cot 90 degree minus 48 degree में लिख सकता हूँ. लिख सकता हूँ वाई बिकॉज tan थीटा इक्वल्स टू कॉट 90 डिग्री माइनस थीटा बेटा, राइट। तो tan थीटा का फॉर्मूला दिया है, सो tan थीटा इज 48 डिग्री, आई कैन इवन राइट कॉट 90 डिग्री माइनस थीटा का वैल्यू 48 डिग्री, आई कैन पुट इट ऑन। Is it clear? So I have written something like that. So what to do now? Again tan 42 will remain the constant. ऐसे सवाल आता है 2 मार्क का बच्चों, 2 मार्क का ऐसे सवाल आता है, तो डू नॉट डू डिले ऑफ दैट। 2 मार्क का सवाल पूछा जाता है, एज यूनिवेरियल बेसिक का 5 मार्क, स्टैंडर्ड का 4 मार्क, ऐसे कुछ सवाल आता है एग्जाम में। दैट मीन दिस क्वेश्चन इज मैंडेटरी, हु नोस दिस क्वेश्चन में कम इन एग्जाम, वेरी इजी एज वेल एज वेरी ट्रिकी ऑल्सो, डू नॉट वरी अबाउट दैट। अच्छा tan 73 आई कैन इवन राइट इट डाउन cos 90 डिग्री माइनस 67 डिग्री, इज इट क्लियर? सॉरी 23 डिग्री माइनस 23 डिग्री, tan 67 डिग्री will remain the constant equals to 1. Then after very important, cot का वैल्यू मिल गया 42, tan 42 cot, I am doing minus of it, right? 67 tan 67 डिग्री। अच्छा, now it's all about, now you see children, now you see this is all about what? ना कुछ तो मिला नहीं, कुछ तो कटा नहीं, थोड़ा सा पहले बताया था that I have taught you regarding the reciprocal trigonometry. In the reciprocal trigonometry, what did I tell? Just remind that how to remind here. इसको तो कुछ सवाल काम करनी है, चलो रेस करते बच्चों, चलो as I said over here that sin equals to 1 upon cosec, tan equals to 1 upon cot, sec equals to 1 upon cosec, ऐसे कुछ बताया था ना। तो even I can write it in this way, 1 upon tan 42 degree, can I write it down? Can I write it down? So even that थोड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा है, कुछ मुश्किल का कुछ बात नहीं, बने रहो हमारे साथ, ट्रिगोनोमेट्री तुम्हें हलवा लगेगा, I promise you children, I promise you, even not only that but also I will be talking to you lots of important question general which comes in exam, not only in exam but also in midterm exam children। चलो देखो फिर क्या होता है, that is all about 1 upon, I can even write tan 67 डिग्री into tan 67 डिग्री, काटो कटा करो, 1 equals to 1 हैंस प्रूफ, साबित करे, हो गया ना साबित बच्चों। दिस इज ऑल अबाउट हैंस प्रूफ। जी हाँ, ऐसे सवाल आता है एग्जाम में। सो विदाउट मेकिंग ए डिले, जस्ट टेक ए नोट इट डाउन एज सून एज पॉसिबल। लेट अस स्टार्ट विथ ए number two bit 2 you have to do by your own. That is all about homework I am giving you to people. If you cannot do, you can take the help of me later on. Let us start with the number 3. Let's start. एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3 वाला क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है रैंडम, कैसा ना 1 मार्क वाला पूछा जाता है। इज वेरी नंबर 4, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, जस्ट ट्राई टू बी विथ मी एज वेल एज ट्राई टू डू नियर अबाउट रैंडम टाइम्स इन योर कॉपी। 5 या 6 10 बार अगर करो तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, ये वाला बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है एग्जाम में। इफ tan 2a इक्वल्स टू cot a minus 18 डिग्री वेयर 2a इज एन एक्यूटेंगल। एक्यूटेंगल पता होगा सबको, एक्यूटेंगल क्या होता है, फाइन एंगल है। कैसे करते हैं, चलो बेटा सोल्यूशन लगाते हैं। See, tan 2a equals to cot a minus 90 डिग्री। पहले सवाल लगाते हैं, tan 2a बच्चों, tan 2a equals to cot a, कितना डार्क मार्कर चल रहा है भाई, tan 2a equals to cot a minus 90 डिग्री। So, see, in case of tan 2a हमें cot भी है, हमें tan की जगह cot लिख सकते हैं। मतलब फॉर्मूला कुछ इस प्रकार है, tan थीटा equals to cot 90 डिग्री माइनस थीटा, cot 90 डिग्री माइनस थीटा। सी tan थीटा का जगह 2a है, राइट। tan थीटा का जगह थीटा, इन प्लेस ऑफ थीटा इट इज ऑल अबाउट 2a, सो आई कैन राइट इवन इन दिस वे दैट cot 90 डिग्री minus 2a. Can I write it down in case of theta? Yes, I can write it down. That implies that cot 90 डिग्री minus 2a, क्यों 2a, थीटा का जगह 2a है यहाँ पर, that's the reason I'm writing 2a. Now cot a minus 18 डिग्री, राइट बेटा। So cot cancel. Now is all about 90 डिग्री minus 2a equals to a minus 2b। मिल गया, आसान, वेरी हलवा। Now what you gonna do? Now you gonna do that 90 degree plus 18 degree equals to minus a. Here is all about beta equals to, sorry, a equals to a plus what? What's wrong? Minus a plus 2a equals to a plus 2a. Yes, a plus 2a, right? A plus 2a. This is all about 108 बत्ता minus 3 is all about a। कुछ इस प्रकार मिला कितना बच्चों, 3, 36 मिला आंसर, 36 मिला आंसर. So see, you have got the answer. A equals to 36 degree. I hope the concept is pretty clear to you. Let us start with the number 4. Very easy, very 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 easy. Number 4 क्या होता है? That is all about, as you know very well. Solution लगाते हैं. Tan A equals to cot B. As you know very well the formula tan A equals to cot B. Now what to do बेटा? So tan A की जगह हम कुछ इस प्रकार लिख देते हैं, that cot 90 degree minus A equals to cot B. So what we have to do? If tan A plus cot B, prove that A plus B equals to 90 degree. We have to prove that A plus B equals to 90 degree. As let us write the question. Tan A equals to cot B given. Okay, in exam you have to do in this way. So tan A का formula what अपना tan theta equals to cot 90 degree minus theta. So tan theta की जगह A लगाते हैं, तो cot 90 degree minus A equals to cot B. Cot and cot is got cancel. Then after 90 degree minus A equals to B, right? 90 degree is उस तरफ border par. That means it is going to the RHS B plus A. So let us rearrange it. A plus B equals to 90 degree. Hence proved. कितना से कितना बढ़िया easy सवाल करते हैं. चलो. It is all about easy, right? Number 4, number 3, just note it down as soon as possible. Let us start with the number 5 question very soon. चलो बच्चों शुरू करते हैं exercise number 5, 6, 7. बहुत again I am saying very very important problem. What are the important problem? It is all about very very equivalent to exercise number 4. How it was? Number 4 was very the number question 4 was how very easy it was. Number 5 भी very easy है उसी प्रकार का. See, sec 4a equals to cosec a minus 20 degree. What is the question given here? Sec 4a equals to cosec a minus 20 degree, where 4a is an acute angle. Find the value of a. Find the value of angle a, और a जो बोलना है बोलो. So sec 4a equals to cosec a minus 90. What is the formula? Sec का उल्टा, sec का complementary angle is cosec, but I can even write it down. Cosec 90 डिग्री माइनस थीटा, थीटा 4a लिख सकते हैं ऐसे कुछ करके. दैट मीन्स कॉसेक बटा कॉसेक a माइनस 20 डिग्री, राइट? सो कॉसेक कॉसेक गॉट कैंसल, विच इज ऑल अबाउट 90 डिग्री माइनस 4a equals to a minus 20 degree. So I can even write it down after doing the solve it out everything. Minus 5a equals to minus 110, माइनस माइनस कैंसल. a equals to कितना हुआ बच्चों? 22. A equals to 24. Therefore, in the last case you have to write always therefore. अगर therefore नहीं लिखोगे मार्क कटेगा, याद रखो. हाफ मार्क कट जाता है in case of board examination. Generally I cut in exam. I am the teacher. I cut in exam. Generally you have to also take care of it. Therefore is mandatory. Therefore not only in trigonometry but also each and every entire subject as well as chapter. As not only subject I can say as well as chapter is very important in mathematics. Therefore is a mandatory. Therefore angle. Therefore A is what beta? You got 22. The A is 22, right? अच्छा, let us start with the number 6. Number 6 very important. Number 6 is A and B and C are the interior angle of a triangle ABC. A दिया है, B दिया है, C दिया है. Are the interior angle of angle ABC? As you know very well. Let us start with the solution. As you know very well, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. We know very well. 60 equals to x 80 degree. We know very well. अच्छा, here is saying that so that sine. Oh my goodness, ऐसे तो बड़ा सवाल है. बड़ा सवाल है. 2017, 2019, 20 में भी ऐसे कुछ सवाल पूछा जाता है. 2 मार्क 3 मार्क का पूछा आता है. जनरली इट कम्स इन एग्जाम फॉर द स्टैंडर्ड स्टूडेंट्स आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. बी अलर्ट फॉर द स्टैंडर्ड स्टूडेंट. दिस इज अ हॉट क्वेश्चन. आई कैन से गरम मामला का क्वेश्चन है. आ भी जाएगा एग्जाम में, पता भी नहीं. तो बी अलर्ट ऑफ दैट. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. ए बी एंड सी आर द 180 डिग्री. वी नो वेरी वेल. अच्छा, सी वेरी वेल. नाउ लेट अस पुट अ लॉजिक, लेट अस पुट अ कॉन्सेप्ट. सी 2 is given. 2 is given. So what to do now? Do you have any common sense? Yes, you are having. I am also having. We all are having. That's the reason you are here. Sin B plus C upon 2 equals to cos A upon 2. 2 it is given. So can I write in this way? Can I write in this way, beta? Can I write in this way? 90 into 10. 90 into 2. Can I write it down? Because 2 है ना, 2 हमें कुछ ना कुछ करके तो निकालना ही तो है. डिनोमिनेटर में तो 2 लाना है. If I am writing 90 into 2, so I can even write in this way. A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2, 90 degree. Can I write it this way? Can I write it down in this way? 90 degree. Yes, because in this way I can write it down. If in this way I can write it down, in this way also I can write it down. B plus C by whole 2 equals to 90 degree minus A by 2. Why I am writing minus A by 2? Why I have taken here? Because A by 2 कुछ ना कुछ तो हमें करना है. That's the reason A by 2 I have taken to the RHS. अपना मन से नहीं, प्रॉब्लम है. I am not saying everything I am not doing by my own. This is doing for the entire what? What's wrong? We are doing everything for the logic purpose, right? अच्छा, so see 90 degree minus A upon 2. So see, so now what to do? In chapter number 3, linear equation and 2 variable, whether you read or not I don't know, but I will teach you, that is confirm. In case of linear equation 2 variable in the 9th grade also you might have read that अगर यहाँ पर in case of LHS, if I will put in LHS, if I will do some plus in LHS, I have to do the same number in RHS. If I have to multiply a number, if I will multiply a number in the LHS, I have to multiply a number in the RHS. The same divisible also I can do, subtraction also I can do. If I can do everything, can I put a function? Function stand for, can I put a trigonometry? Yes, I can put. कहाँ? ना standard 9 में logic. If you have not cleared the concept, standard 10 also I will be teaching you linear equation 2 variable. Do not worry about that. So here we confirm that. समझ में नहीं आया? और एक बार समझाएं. चलो देखो. See, you might have read multiplying these with equation 1 and 2, multiplying these in RHS and LHS. Now you understood. Dividing this in LHS and RHS, subtracting this in LHS and RHS, adding this in LHS and RHS. Now you got it. So if I can set it, so can I write it down? So can I add a function? Function क्या होता है? Sin हम यहाँ पर भी ऐड करते हैं, यहाँ पर भी ऐड करते हैं. Let me add a sign here also. I am adding here also sign. Is it clear? So see, sin B plus C upon 2. This I have got, but this I have not got. Again तो sin का sin अगर cancel कर दे तो ऐसे हो जाएगा. अगर याद रखो. Now remember. See. Logic. Sin theta equals to cos 90 degree minus theta ना. So sin theta को इस जगह में हम लिख सकते हैं ना cos 90 degree minus theta. Right? So if I can write in this way also, cos theta equals to sin 90 degree minus theta. Right? So cos theta I can even write it down as a cos theta. Cos theta का value is all about A upon 2. Now it's proved. So therefore, how? So hence proved. Why therefore? Hence proved. Is it clear? नहीं आया समझ में? थोड़ा रिवाइंड करके देखो. अगर भी नहीं आया फिर से समझाते. देखो और एक बार सुनो. So I have multiplied sin with sin over here. अच्छा, now sin theta equals to cos 90 degree minus theta we know very well. अच्छा, if we can also even write it down, cos theta equals to sin 90 degree minus theta. We can also write it down in this way. अगर sin 90 degree minus theta, sin 90 degree minus theta का वैल्यू दे दिया है ना, so हम cos theta लिख सकते हैं, cos A by upon 2. Hence proved. This is the very important question which is generally comes in exam. Be alert, right? अच्छा, let us start with the last question of the 8.3. 7 नंबर क्वेश्चन बहुत हलवा. चलो करते हैं. Express sin 67 plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometry angles between 0 and 45. ऐसे कुछ नंबर लाना है जैसे 0 और 45 के डिग्री ही रहता है. दैट मीन्स ऐसे कुछ नंबर लाओ साइन का, ऐसे कुछ नंबर लाओ cos 75 डिग्री का. वी हैव टू टेक सच डिग्री एंड इट शुड कम बिटवीन 0 एंड 45 डिग्री. while it is above 45 degree, it is above 45 degree, but we have to take such number, we have to bring such answer which should come under 0 to 45 degree. So let us start without wasting any time. Sin 67 degree formula लगाओ. Sin cos, चलो cos 90 degree minus 67 degree. Why it is 67 degree? फिर से पता है ना, थीटा sin 60 degree, sin theta equals to वही sin theta equals to cos 90 degree upon theta. sin theta का जगह 67 लगाओ यहाँ पर, cos 67, so cos 90 degree minus theta. So over here is also I can get, see, cos theta is all about, sin theta is all about, cos theta is all about what? Now 75, I can even put it as 75, 90 degree minus 75. So I can even write it down that sin 90 degree minus 75. So see children, cos, what we got, 23 degree plus sin 15 degree. Answer solved. Answer. Therefore cos 23 degree plus sin 15 degree lies between 0 degree and 45 degree. बात खत्म. Exercise 8.3 is over, right? It's noted down as soon as possible. So if you want, you can even take the screenshot. So shall I erase it? Let me erase. So जाते जाते एक बात बोलते हैं. So as I say every lecture, at the end of every lecture I says, all right. So at the end I want to say something to you all people, which generally I miss to say you, all right, in my offline classes, but I used to say and in the online classes. So अगर मौका मिलता तो मौका गवाना क्या है. I want to say something to you very well. एंड बहुत इंतज़ार, बेसब्री से हम इंतज़ार भी करते हैं लम्हा वो मौका कब बोलेंगे. अभी वो बात आ गया है बोलने के लिए. टू यू पीपल, दैट इज़ ऑल अबाउट द वर्ड थैंक यू. Thank you. I want to say at the bottom, thank you everyone. Thank you very much for being with me, for having a patience. Those who have watched my lecture, to them also it is thank you. Those who have not watched, for them also it is a thank you. Thank you is for everyone. Thank you very much again for the support, again for the well wishes. Everything I can say, only something I can say at the end, that is all about a thank you. Again I am coming the strong trigonometry identities, which is all about 8.4. Till then, cheers, and I will be talking lots of important question which is going to come in the board exam. कभी मिस मत करना. चलो cheers.